So now we know that what are the components of a website. As we know, website is a space over the world wide web, so it must have some specific address to search it on internet. So the address is called domain name. To share information, every computer connected to the internet must have a unique address. This is the basic. So ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, has designed a system to provide a unique address to every computer in the internet. This is character based addressing system is known as domain name, while the number based addressing system is called IP address. So what is the difference? When a computer is represented by the digits, then it is called IP address. When the computer is known by its name in alphabet, that is called its domain name. So similarly, for every website, the domain name is unique name given to it which visitors use to identify and locate that site on the internet. To understand the domain name system, that is called DNS, let's take an example where your paintings are on display. Visitors cannot see your paintings unless they know the physical address of the exhibition building. मीन्स आप एक पेंटिंग की एग्जीबिशन लगाना चाहते हैं, अगर आप किसी को एड्रेस नहीं देंगे तो वो वहाँ पर पहुँचना उनका इम्पॉसिबल हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टू गिव द एड्रेस. सो कम टू द पॉइंट, साइट फाइल्स. The files which have all the elements of a website, which may have image means picture or document template or HTML files. Keeping the above said analogy in consideration, site files can be related to paintings in the exhibition buildings. We are comparing it to the exhibition building that we have in physical way. जब हम अपना पेंटिंग्स को एग्जीबिशन में करते हैं शो, तो उनका अलग अलग प्लेस होता है. तो सिमिलरली द साइट फाइल्स हैव डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, so they have different addresses. Web host, the term is the service that provide space on internet for maintenance of website. Like any computer, web host or hosting server run on different operating machine. Commonly used operating system for hosting servers are Apache and Windows. Considering the above analogy, we can relate the hosting server with the exhibition building which is exhibiting your painting. So we can relate the painting exhibition with the web hosting like that. The building that is exhibiting your painting, मतलब जिस बिल्डिंग में आप अपनी पेंटिंग्स को शो कर रहे हैं, तो उसी तरह जो होस्टिंग सर्वर है वो बिल्डिंग की तरह काम करता है. तो इसको अब आगे हम लोग ले चलते हैं. दैट इज द कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. इट इज यूज्ड इन मैनेजिंग द कंटेंट ऑफ वेबसाइट. कंटेंट मीन्स कि जो वेबसाइट पर जो डेटा है, द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी आर शोइंग टू अवर यूजर्स इज कॉल्ड द कंटेंट. इट हेल्प्स द ऑथर इन क्रिएटिंग, डिजाइनिंग एंड मॉडिफाइंग द कंटेंट ऑफ वेबसाइट. सो CMS जो है किस में हेल्प करता है, हम लोग की सारी चीज़ों में अपडेट करने में, वेबसाइट को अपडेट करने में हेल्प करता है. हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं और मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ CMS आर वर्डप्रेस, Joomla, Drupal, etc. So next term is web portal. We will continue it.